Randy's been talking about the Vega for as long as I've known him. He keeps talking about this Vega that he used to have and you know, how much it meant to him, and it's kind of his dream car. It's his unicorn. He can never catch it.
So it started a long time ago, probably over 10 years ago, that Randy owned this Vega. For whatever reason, he decided to part ways with it and end up selling it to an individual in Texas. Collaboratively, a bunch of us here at WyoTech decided that if we could find the car, how cool would it be to give him back his original car?
Mike McFadden found this original car still here in town at the storage unit. So there's 4 of us, we all got together, went out to the storage unit, but we wanted to verify for sure that it was the car. So this is probably the hardest part about all of it, because Randy is an extremely stubborn individual and he's been hunting for a car this entire time. I mean, it's daily. We get a tag, oh, here's a Vega wagon in Kansas. Oh, here's a Vega wagon in Colorado. Here's one in California. Well, then kind of sneaked around a little bit. We kind of started acquiring some parts.
So if you get one, how do you want to paint it? You know, what are you going to do? How are you going to personalize it, make it yours? Because I'm thinking, hey, I can start getting some ideas for paint, or maybe any kind of modifications for sheet metal. And
we used the excuse we were going to use some wheels and tires that Randy had for a dyno project, so we could get a street tire on the dyno. Well, what he doesn't know is we went and put brand new tires on his wheels, and they're actually now sitting in front of the car today.
We've got an incredible group over here in the specialties that took it amongst themselves to go, you know what, we should give back. And I thought this is going to be an amazing moment in WyoTech history.
What? Huh?
Huh. You're grounded. I'm guessing there's more than one grounded individual around here.
We love you, Randy.
Thank you, gang.
Come on, man, dig in. There's parts to look at.
Some assembly required, batteries not included. When do we start? Wait. We've got a crew put together already. Oh, there we go. Wait a minute, we already had Duracell with copper top. I don't know if shock or numb or overwhelmed, probably all of them simultaneously. There was a realization, maybe a dawning, but it took a minute to comprehend it. And then all the people started pouring out. And that was probably, that's where I went to overwhelming, and I still didn't know what was going on yet. Unbelievable. Literally unbelievable. And my apologies if I cry on camera, but this is cool. Love you guys, and God bless. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The front clip off of this car here, one of my old racing partners was building these cars when he was killed. In fact, we're somewhere right around the anniversary of his death. One of the last race cars I helped build was Byron's car, and his parts will wind up on this car to get the right front end on it. My vision was a pretty nasty sounding, small block, but very, very drivable car. Something that was respectably quick, but I could drive anywhere I wanted to. I see all of the parts here to do that. If I'm gonna stay true to me, it's gonna be some form of blue and silver.
And it's probably gonna wind up some kind of blue and probably some kind of silver.
everything with him is some form of blue and silver.
But now maybe, okay, so I don't let them down. We'll do blue and silver. They talked me into it.
So Randy, this car is for you, buddy. I just can't thank you enough for everything you do for the school, not only as an employee, but as one of my very good friends.
You're a mentor to us all. You give us words to live by. You make us want to be better people every day.
This is a day that was in the making years ago. And I couldn't think of a better individual for this to happen to and for.
Now I'm going to start crying. Everything life's thrown at you, you've taken it with a smile and with grace, and you deserve it.
Thanks for being there for us and just being the guy you are. Thank you.
This kind of thing couldn't happen to a better person. I love you, man, and I appreciate your friendship, and I appreciate working with you.
I don't think anybody in this school could imagine WyoTech without Randy Svalina.